A very good morning to all. Today let's start a new chapter, chapter number 11, that is part 11, and the name of the chapter is Darna Kabhi Na Jana. That means you should not be afraid of any difficulties. So first let's do the summary of this chapter. This is a short poem. The name of the poem is Darna Kabhi Na Jana, and this poem is written by Sri Prasad. So the name of the poet is Sri Prasad. Now here this poem, it teaches us that how far our destination be, we will survive, and we love our goal more than our life, and we will not be afraid of any difficulties. So this is the main theme of this poem. So first let's start with the Kathin Shabd, and the words are Andhi. Andhi means storm, Roda means difficulties, Tufan means storm, Abhiman means pride, Manzil means destination, Zyada means more. So let's read this poem. The first topic is Pad Pravesh, means lesson introduction. So it says, प्रस्तुत कविता में विकट परिस्थितियों से कभी ना डरने की प्रेरणा दी गई है. So here विकट means difficulties, परिस्थितियों means situation, and prerna means inspire. It means that this poem inspires us that in difficulties also we should not be afraid and we should always move towards our goal. कविता से ऐसी परिस्थितियों से हार माने बिना संघर्ष करते हुए अपनी मंजिल की ओर बढ़ते रहने की सीख भी मिलती है. So this poem, it teaches us that we should not be afraid of any difficulties and we should keep moving towards our goal. So let's read this poem once. हमने डरना कभी न जाना आंधी से तूफान से, देखो हम बढ़ते जाते हैं कैसे अपनी शान से. कांटे आते उन्हें हटाते तुरंत बनाते राह, बड़े बड़े रोड़ों को भी करते ना कभी परवाह. सिर अपना ऊंचा रखते हैं हरदम हम अभिमान से, हमने डरना कभी न जाना आंधी से तूफान से. दिन में राह बताता सूरज, फिर जब आती रात, चांद चांदनी बिखराता है करता हमसे बात. हम ऐसे बढ़ते जाते हैं राह देखते ध्यान से, हमने डरना कभी न जाना आंधी से तूफान से. मंजिल पर ही रुकना हमको हो कितनी भी दूर, लंबी राह नहीं कर सकती हमें कभी मजबूर. हमको अपनी मंजिल प्यारी ज़्यादा अपनी जान से, हमने डरना कभी न जाना आंधी से तूफान से. So this is a short poem written by Sri Prasad. So let's understand the meaning of this poem. First two stanzas. हमने डरना कभी न जाना आंधी से तूफान से, देखो हम बढ़ते जाते हैं कैसी अपनी शान से. So here डरना means fear, आंधी तूफान means storm. So the meaning is that we have never known to be afraid, and look, with pride we keep on moving forward. Next stanza. कांटे आते उन्हें हटाते तुरंत बनाते राह, बड़े बड़े रोड़ों को भी करते ना कभी परवाह. So here कांटे means thorns, राह means way, and parva means bother or care. So the meaning is that the thorns would come on your way. So you should remove it immediately and make a way and move forward. Next stanza. सिर अपना ऊंचा रखते हैं हरदम हम अभिमान से, हमने डरना कभी न जाना आंधी से तूफान से. So here the word abhiman means pride. So the meaning is that with pride we always keep our head high and we have never known to be afraid in storm. Next stanza. दिन में राह बताता सूरज, फिर जब आती रात, चांद चांदनी बिखराता है करता हमसे बात. So here the word chand means moon and chandni means moonlight, and the meaning of this stanza is that the sun shows the way in the day, and when the night comes the moon, it scatters its moonlight and talk to us. Next stanza. हम ऐसे बढ़ते जाते हैं राह देखते ध्यान से, हमने डरना कभी न जाना आंधी से तूफान से. So here बढ़ते जाते हैं means keep moving forward. So the meaning is that watching the way carefully, we keep moving forward and we have never known to be afraid in storm. Next stanza. मंजिल पर ही रुकना हमको, हो कितनी भी दूर, लंबी राह नहीं कर सकती हमें कभी मजबूर. So here the word majboor means helpless. The meaning is that how far the destination is, it can't stop us and we'll keep on moving forward. The last stanza. हमको अपनी मंजिल प्यारी, ज़्यादा अपनी जान से, हमने डरना कभी न जाना आंधी से तूफान से. So this stanza means that we love our goal more than our life and we have never known to be afraid in storm. So this is a short poem. The name of the poem is Darna Kabhi Na Jana, written by Shri Prasad. Next we have Shabdarth, that means word meaning, and the words are Darna, to fear, Parwah means bother or care, Aandhi Tufan means storm, Abhiman means pride. Next word Kaante means thorns, Chandni means moonlight, Rah means way, Majboor means helpless. Next we have Paryarvachi Shabd, and the words are Dar means fear, Paryarvachi Shabd Bhay, khauf. Next one Suraj means sun, Paryarvachi Shabd Surya, Ravi. Next word Manzil means destination, Paryarvachi Shabd Lakshya, Mukam. Then the next word is Chand means moon, Paryarvachi Shabd Chandrama, Shashi. Next word is Rah means way, Paryarvachi Shabd Rasta, Path. Then the next we have Vilom Shabd means opposite words. So the first one is Kaanta means thorn, opposite is Fool means flower. Here Lambi means tall, the opposite is Choti means short, and the last word is Dur, which means far, and the opposite is Pas, the meaning is near. So with this we have completed the chapter. Next you have an activity. The activity is read the poem, record it and submit in Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.